Hello, my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I am going to record another video, which is exercise 1.3 of chapter 1. So exercise 1.3 is nothing but it's inverse of functions. The inverse of function means any function which is written as like fx. If you write it in like that one, then it is called inverse function. So that one only in mathematical term. We need to focus that how we people find inverse of function. So inverse of function means we can write the inverse of any function when it is one-to-one function. It means that in a simple way, one-to-one means when domain equal to range, then it is called one-to-one or injective also. So if it is one-to-one, then we can write the inverse function. Number one thing, this is very important thing. Now second thing is how to write that one. So we need to follow three steps. Step number one, replace fx is equal to replace. Step number one, replace fx as y. Step number two, then solve for x. Step number three, change or write x is equal to f inverse of x, not f inverse of y, f inverse of x, and change y as x. Then that type of function is called inverse of functions. So I'm going to pick exercise 1.3, which is based on find the inverse function f inverse. This is called inverse function. If exist means if it is one to one, then if exist means if it is one to one function. How we can say that one it is one to one? When domain equal to range, then it is one to one function or injective function. So first of all, we need to check that whether which one of that part one, I mean question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is one to one. If it is one to one, then we can write the inverse function. So first of all, I am going to check question number 1 answer. Question number 1 answer is we need to check first whether it is one to one or not. So first that just need to check input or first term, first element of the order pair, or you can say that domain, first element or domain of the order pair or the set. So first element means 3, 4, 5, 6. So domain here 4 and range is 6, 9, 12, 13. Range is also 4. So that means it is 1 to 1 function. If it is one to one function, then f inverse is equal to what you have to do, just replace, change that order. 6 comma 3 comma 9 comma 4 comma 12 5 comma 13 6. This is the answer of question number 1. Considering that one, if it is one to one, then now I am going to check question number 2. F is 2, 4, 6, 8. So that means domain is 1, 2, 3, 4. Range is -2, -1, 0, 1. So that means domain is equal to range is equal to 5. So we can write the answer of question number 2. That means F inverse is equal to -2 comma 2 comma -1 comma 4 comma 0 comma 6 and 8, sorry, 1 comma 8. close it with the curly bracket. -2 to -124 0 6 1 8. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3. 2 3 4 5 1 1 1 1. That means in question number 3, domain is not equal to range, so it is not 1 to 1 function or injective, so that we cannot write the inverse of that one. Question number 4. F is equal to 10, 11, 12, 13. Second element is 5, 8, 5, and so that means question number 4 also, domain is not equal to range, so it is not 1 to 1, so that there is no inverse of question number 4 also. Question number 5. A, B, C, -1, 1, 3. So domain is equal to range is equal to 4, so that F inverse of question number 5 is equal to -1 comma A comma 1B comma 3C comma 5D. This is the answer of question number 5. Question number 6. 2 3 4 5 10 10 10. So question number 6, domain is not equal to range, so that it is not 1 to 1. Now parallelly, in mid exam there is one question asked that if it is 1 to 1 function, then for example I am just giving that one, what is F inverse of 9 plus F inverse of 13 of question number 1. Question number 1. So F inverse, that means inverse of that one. So because of it is 1 to 1, that means inverse exists. So inverse of that one. So inverse of 9 is 4 plus inverse of 13 is 6. So inverse of 13 is 6. So it is 10. So the value of F inverse of 9 plus F inverse of 13 is 10. This is the answer of that question. Even though this type of question is not available in this handout, but this type of question asked in mid exam. This type of question is in mid exam. So you can write like that one. For example, question number 2. Question number 2. For question number 2, find F inverse of 1 plus F inverse of 0. So question number 2. So F inverse. So first of all, we need to check that whether it is 1 to 1 or not. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, domain and range equal. So it is 1 to 1. So that we can write that one. So if F inverse of 1, F inverse of 1 is 8 plus F inverse of 0 is 6. So just add that one. This is called F inverse of 1 plus F inverse of 0. So it is 14. This is the answer of that question. Hopefully you people understand this part. Now, second part. Second part means find the inverse of the function F inverse of x. So for that, just I am going to write steps. For that, I am going to write steps. What you have to do, first number step is replace fx as y. Second number step is solve for x. Third number step is change x as f inverse of x and y as x. These are the main important steps for getting the inverse of the function. Here see that one, there is no need to check f inverse because of he is asking directly. It means that all functions are 1 to 1. I mean injective function. So I'm going to check that one. How to write answer of question number 1. Question number 1, fx is equal to x plus 3. So what you have to do, replace fx as y. So y is equal to x plus 3. This is your step 1. Step 2, solve for x. That means write the value of x. So we can write it x is equal to y minus 3. That means change the place. X, this should be here. So x is equal to y minus 3. This is your step number 2. Step number 3, change, replace x is equal to f inverse of x. So f inverse of x is equal to y as x minus 3. So this is f inverse of x. If this type of question asked in the exam, find f inverse of y. So no, nothing you have to do. In place of x, f inverse of y is equal to y minus 3. If this type of question asks, find f inverse of y, then nothing, just write it same as it is. In place of x, write f inverse. So this is the answer of question number 1. Hopefully you people understand. Question number 2, fx is equal to this one. So fx is equal to this. So what you have to do, first step is fx as y. So y equal to 2 minus x, and solve for step number 2, solve for x. So what you have to do, just replace this one another side. That means replace here. So because of minus x is here, when you replace this one, so it is y plus x is equal to 2. Now solve for x. That means x is equal to 2 and replace y here. So it is 2 minus y. So this is step number 2. Step number 3, replace x as f inverse of x and y as x. This is your f inverse of x. If you want to find f inverse of y, so change in place of x, the 2 minus y. If you want to find f inverse of y, this is your f inverse of y. Question number 3. So question number 3. So question number 3, I will write the answer. You can try by yourself. Try by yourself. Question number 3. The question number 3 answer is, answer of question number 3 is f inverse of x equal to x plus 1 divided by 5. Try by yourself. Try by yourself and check whether you understand or not. I'm going to write question number 4 answer. Question number 4. See that one, fx. So what you have to do, fx means this, means change. Step number 1, fx. Step number 1 is replace fx as y. So y is equal to x divided by 7 plus 5. And now solve for x. So what you have to do, just replace this one here. So it comes y minus 5 equal to x divided by 7. Now solve for x means just multiply this part here, or if you know like that one, multiply 7 by here and 7 here. So this and this cancel. So it means that 7y minus 35 is equal to x. This is your step number 2. Step number 3, replace or change x as f inverse. So f inverse of x equal to 7, change y as x minus 35. This is the answer of question number 4. This is the answer of question number 4. Now question number 5, I am giving to hint, you can try by yourself. Question number 5. Question number 5 is fx is equal to x minus 4 divided by 3. So the answer of that one, try by yourself. F inverse of x equal to 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. 3x. Now I'm going to solve question number 6. Question number 6 is, so how we can write the answer of question number 6. Question number 6 is fx equal to minus 2x minus 3 divided by 5. So first step number is replace fx as y. So y is equal to minus 2x minus 3 divided by 5. Just use the cross multiplication. This will come as 5y is equal to minus, and see that one, this is separate to that one. So better is you have to close this bracket and now simplify it. So 5y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. Now solve for x. That means replace this here. So it comes 5y. When you replace this one plus, it comes minus, is equal to minus 2x. So therefore the value of x is 5y minus 3 divided by minus 2. Now this is your step number 2. Step number 3, change x as f inverse. So change as x as f inverse of x and y as x. So 5x minus 3 divided by minus 2, or you can write it f inverse of x as this and this plus, so 3 by 2 minus 5x divided by 2. So you can write it like that one, or you can write it like that one. This is the answer of question number 6. Question number 6. Now I am going to solve question number 7. So question number 7 is fx is equal to, question number 7 is fx equal to 5 divided by 8 plus x minus 6. So first step is what? You need to replace fx as y. 5 divided by this minus. Now replace this here. So it becomes y plus 6 is equal to 5 divided by 8 plus x. So see that one? If you again multiply, it comes y plus 6, 8 plus 6 is equal to 5. So I can write it like 8 plus x is equal to 5 divided by y plus 6. So therefore x is equal to 5 divided by y plus 6 minus 8. That means first step is replace fx as y. So and then simplify it, and after that you need to solve for x. So this is the value of solve for x. The next and the last step is replace x as f inverse of x and y as x. This is the answer of question number 7. This is the answer of question number 7. Now I'm going to check that what is the solution of question number 8. Question number 8. So question number 8 is fx is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by 5x plus 4. Question number 8 is this one. So first step for writing the solution of that one is replace fx as y. 2x plus 3 divided by 5x plus 4, and then solve for x. So see that one here, x upper here and x up down also. So you need to use cross multiplication. That means this should be here. So it is 5x plus 4 into y is equal to 2x plus 3. So see that one, you cannot write directly. So first of all, we need to open the bracket. So it comes 5xy plus 4y is equal to 2x plus 3. So see that one here, we need to adjust all x terms from here. X is here, x is here. So separate, keep it one side. So when you replace here, it comes minus 2x. 3 is here, so plus, but when you replace here, it comes minus 4y. So now see that one, x is here, x is here. Keep outside as a common, so remaining part is 5y minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 4y. So therefore, x equal to 3 minus 4y divided by 5y minus 2. So this is your step number 2, solve for x. Now just change that one, x as f inverse of x and y as x. So 3 minus 4x divided by 5x minus 2. This is your answer of question number 8. Question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9, fx equal to 2 plus square root of x minus 4. So what you have to do, first step is replace fx as y. Now replace this one here. So we will get y minus 2 is equal to x minus 4, this. So because of it is square root, so we can write it like x minus 4 is equal to y minus 2 whole square. Because of there is one rule that if square root of x is equal to a, then x means a square. If you delete this x square root, then here comes square. So therefore, the answer, that means solution of x, solve for x, is replace this one here. So this becomes y minus 2 whole square plus 4. Now this is the value or solve for x. So thus the third step, that means change x as f inverse of x and y as x, x minus 2 plus 4. This is your answer of question number 9. This is your answer of question number 9. So after that, after solution of question number 9, I'm giving to you some practice question where answers is also given. Find an equation for the inverse for each of the following relation, inverse of the functions. So answer of question number 3 is this one. This is the answer of question number 3. Answer, you need to write inverse of the function. So question number 3 answer is this: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So no need to worry about that one. What is that one? So up to question number 18 it is solved. So try by yourself and then you can check your answer by using this way. And next slide is find the inverse of each of the following function again. So gx is equal to this, inverse of the function, this is the answer. Question number 2, fx this one, then this is the answer of that one. Question number 3, this is the answer of that one. Question number 4, this is the answer of that one. Question number 5, this is the answer of this. Question number 6, this is the answer of this one. Question number 7, this is. Question number 8, answer of this. Question number 9, this is the answer. And question number 10, this is the answer. So that please try, practice that type of question, then maybe you can able to write exams. I mean quizzes, mid exam as well as in final exam. Hopefully you people understand.